Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today we are going to look at this journal from the digital kit is Pink Parfait Cafe from Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Her links will be down below. So you need to go check out her Etsy shop and her YouTube. She has the most gorgeous craft room area. Oh my gosh, it's so inspiring. You have to go look at our videos. But today we're going to look at this journal that I made. This is the cover. We have a nice cameo here, Sorry Silk. It's 2 signatures, and we have some lace covering that. So let's get this off. I wasn't going to put a tie on it, but then it got a little gator mouth, so we had to. So there's that. The first thing that I want to show you, let me find it, is I did make a writing board. Because this is a writing journal. There's plenty of space in here to write. So there is the board. And then when we open up, let me make sure you can see. Awesome. We have a lace pocket right here. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? I had to throw that in there. And then this is real pretty. So I put a wax seal and a ribbon on that. And then this is one of her pretty cutouts. And I just added some silk fabric from a wedding dress and an applique, and I thought that was pretty. And then here's these flowers I don't think are gonna last. They are giving me a hard time, so I think I'll take those out. I need to work on that. I will get that fixed. But these flowers didn't work the way I wanted them to. Most of the journaling cards and tags are backed with coffee dyed paper, and they are stitched around. And then we have this. Isn't this adorable? This is a new little stamp set that I got from Michael's that has words that you can mix and match. So I did beautiful and blessed. I have some parchment paper there, but you can see that there's plenty of writing and beautiful pictures. This is a pretty tag that we did on a video together. Another journaling card. And that was pretty. I just added a piece of lace to it. And this is adorable. And then we have an envelope pocket here in the center of the first signature with a couple of journaling cards. And the envelope is coffee dyed. And that's stitched around. And then we have just a little dangle here. Just some little fun laces. This is a fun tag. Lots of space on the back of that tag to write. Another journaling card. We got some decorative stitching at the bottom there. And now we're at signature 2, and I need a drink of water. So we have another party dress there. A couple of journaling cards. Little round tag. So cute. There's a nice big tag. Here's another one of these fun tags. Both sides have an image. And then here's a round circle with lace on it. Here's an envelope that has room for you to look at almost the same image, a little different, but room in here for you to add your special mementos. Another little tangle there, a little, whatever you want to call it, a little dangle. So we have beautiful images with this kit and some avocado dyed paper for writing. But I left the images alone because they're just so pretty. So you definitely want to be able to see them. Just gorgeous. And then this. Isn't that sweet? So we have another lace pocket there on the back cover. So I hope that you enjoyed this journal. I'm going to try to even it up, but I never do get it that way. But I hope you enjoyed this journal. It is for sale. So if you're interested, you can email me or send me a private message on Facebook or Instagram. My information is down below. And I hope to hear from you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.